Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you my January favourites. So these are the things that I have just found really useful or just been completely in love with throughout the month of January. There's not very many, there's only I think 5 or 6 items here. But you know, it was only 1 month and these are the things that I tried out in that time. So I'm going to start with this cleaning caddy, which I love. I got this from Aldi and it was like £2.99, bargain if you ask me. Obviously it didn't come with everything inside it, but it's a really sturdy, really strong cleaning caddy. It's really made things so much easier. I've been able to just have everything in here that I need. I can carry it around with me. If I'm working on one particular room, it can just be in the room with me, and then when I need to wipe something down, everything I need is just here. Which just makes it much more efficient and much easier. So that's one thing that I've just been completely in love with. And along with the cleaning theme, I also found these Cleanology sprays in Lidl. So I went into Lidl just to do a normal shop, and I was going to pop across to Waitrose to see if I could find some method cleaner. Because I just wanted to try something that was non-toxic and everybody raves about it. And while I was in there, I found this Cleanology, which is basically like the same kind of thing. So it says that it's multi-purpose cleaner with essential oils, non-toxic, antibacterial, and that's rose and wild mint flavour. And I used it and I thought, wow, that is amazing. It smells so good. I just loved it, and I loved knowing that it was non-toxic because, you know, obviously I've got children and I've got cats, and I wanted to know that it was going to be safe for everyone. So that was really good and I absolutely loved it. And then I went back to Lidl to see if I could get some more, and unfortunately they didn't have that scent, but they did have some of these. And at first I was like, that's not the one I want, I wanted the other one. But this is wild mint and green tea, and this is even better than the other one. I just love it. It smells so fresh and lovely. So yeah, so those are my Cleanology sprays, which I love. So the next thing that I have been in love with this January is a bit of a strange one, but a very healthy one, and it is frozen spinach. I think that's upside down, so frozen spinach. And that I've just found, I didn't know you could actually get frozen spinach like that. So it's kind of just like in little blocks. So you can just, you know, if you're like boiling something up, you can just pop a couple of blocks of that in. I just thought that was really cool because I've always bought spinach and always ended up wasting it because like half of it doesn't get used and it gets thrown away. And I just thought, well, this way you've got absolutely no wastage and it's just so easy to have a nice healthy dose of spinach in your food. So really been enjoying that this month, which has kept us nice and healthy. So the next thing that I have been enjoying in January is this Lorac eyeshadow palette. So you open it up and there are all of these eyeshadows plus all of these eyeshadows. And Kirk bought me those for Christmas. And I've really been enjoying them actually because they're just, there's lots of lovely shades in there, and I can do everything from just natural to a little bit more colour. And I find that they've got really lovely pigment, so you know, you don't have to put an awful lot on the brush to actually get some nice colour out. And yeah, I've just really sort of been enjoying having a little play around with having some more colours, and that's been quite fun. And I don't think this is overly expensive either. But yeah, so that's another thing that I've been loving. So another thing that I've been kind of obsessed with this January is Friends, as in the TV show, because I don't really know, I've always loved it and I've watched it all the way through like before, and to be honest with you, I don't even get an awful lot of time to watch telly, but I've just found, I think Kirk put it on one evening and I was just so drawn to it, and I just thought, I love this show, and I forgot how much I love it, and I forgot how much it makes me laugh out loud. So I don't get a lot of chance to watch telly, but when I have done this month, well, the month of January, I have been watching Friends. And it's been really lovely just recapping over all of those episodes that I'd forgotten about, and it's funny how many things you can retain in your head and how many lines I can sort of spew out before the character even says it. So yeah, so that's another thing that I've been really enjoying. So one other thing that I have been completely mad about in January is my Babyliss big hair brush, blow dry brush thing. And Kurt got me this for Christmas and I just love it. I don't blow dry my hair completely anymore. I just let it dry by itself until it's like 90% dry and then blast it with this. And this dries your hair and you can push the buttons to turn the brush. So as it's drying, you can also be shaping and styling. I have done a video tutorial for this, so check that out if you're interested in seeing how I use it. But that is another thing that for January I've just been in love with and I've just found really useful and I will continue to use throughout the rest of the months of the year. And that is a Babyliss big hair. And last but not least, I have definitely been loving my new camera, which is what I'm using right now, but it is this Sony Cybershot DSC-WX500. And it's one of those with the little flippy screen and I'm loving it. Just, yeah, it's been so much better than having to use my phone all the time. I was hoping to get something like the Canon G7X, I think it is. But to be honest, it's just way out of my price range and I just couldn't get it. So I thought I would have a little look. I had a look on YouTube, had a look at a lot of videos that people had taken where they've been reviewing different cameras for vlogging. And this one just seemed to keep popping up as something that was affordable and that everybody seemed to be really enjoying. So that's what I got and I am loving it. So that's the end of my video. As I said, there's only a few things for January, so it's not a massive collection of favourites, but those are my things that I've just really enjoyed having in January. And I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you have. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. It's been lovely having you and I'll see you here next time. Bye!